Hello there. My name is Drew Banziger. I'm a third-year student specializing in information systems and business analytics at the College of Business in Bowling Green State University. I'm originally from Athens, Ohio, but currently I'm not even in Athens or Bowling Green. I'm sitting in Central Ohio, staying with my girlfriend and her family due to the severity of the COVID-19 virus that has been spreading around. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about my experience and how it's affected me with the lockdown in the state and how it's kind of affecting my day to day life. So, some of the biggest struggles was figuring out when I found out about the lockdown where I wanted to be stuck, if you will. If I wanted to be at home near Athens, Ohio, be with my girlfriend here in Central Ohio, or uh, be up in Bowling Green at my apartment. So figuring out where I wanted to be, what is best for myself, my family, my girlfriend's family, and herself as well. Also, it felt like a race against the clock because of all the different developing changes. Like every hour, there's something different. So kind of adjusting to that was really hard. Also, missing my family, not knowing when we're going to get to see each other next and when I can go there and when I can travel is all up in the air, so that gets really difficult. Also, staying in a routine uh, has been a really hard struggle of not just going to sleep and sleeping until noon or whatever, just trying to stay in that routine so I don't just get bogged down in the grind of online school. But one thing I'd like to share with you all is how to look on the upside of things. I struggle with anxiety a lot, and this all the developments have been making this really hard. But some things I've found to cope is to find a friend. Having like virtual happy hours where like I literally like cracked a Mountain Dew with one of my buddies in a WebEx call, which was really nice. Also, making goals just day by day because developments are made every single day. You're not going to know what's going to happen tomorrow. So, just making a list for the next day at the end of each day helps you kind of stay motivated. Also, don't stay glued to the news. The more you look at it, the more it's just going to stress you out. So, once a day, I like to check in, probably 15 minutes to a half hour, see what's going on, and then I move past it because the more I look at it, the more it's just going to stress me out. My biggest thing I'd like to touch on is that this is all temporary. Uh, if I'm just following the guidelines, I know everything will be okay. Uh, that the world's going to be the better place with all the people that are working so hard on it. And it sucks for now, but uh, I like to think of all the positive things that's happened for the environment. The air quality has been cleaner. People are seeing blue skies and stars that have never seen them before in large cities because of the shutdowns. And animals are actually coming out of the endangerment stage because they've been able to live more freely. And so that's the biggest thing I like to think of, that this is all temporary. And at the end of the day, things will go back to as close as normal as we can think of. Uh, but overall, like, we can all adjust to this, and we are all going to be stronger at the end of this. So, best of luck, wash your hands, and I'll see you all soon.